everybody, and welcome back to my studio again. And this is the second part to my previous video, which was to do with tidying up my studio. This is the full studio tour. Well, slash room tour, because it's kind of a room as well, but you get the idea. So I'm so excited to show you what it actually looks like and some of the stuff I've actually got. So let's dive right. Okay, so this is going into the studio room here. And this is what it looks like. Just close the door. So that is my setup. So we'll go through the boring stuff first. You saw this my pinboard that we made in the last video before the last video. That's there. And then there's a cupboard here with a mirror. I don't know why everybody seems to do it whenever they see themselves in the mirror. Everybody waves, so I've just caught on. One of my horse books I've got. This is to do with Architecty horses. That's why I called the golden horse in there. Such a beautiful big book. Massive photography. Just stunning photography in this. So that one's out on display all the time. It's one of my favourite books to look through. That painting there is my brother's acrylic pour. I've just got to get a hanging system out for him. Some jigsaw puzzles and some other little horse nostalgia. And in here is books, some of my book collection. And then we swing around, that's my workout gear there, and that's actually got my bathers in it, so that's why it sits there. My dresser drawers, one of my horse models there, figurines. This is a beauty, this one, I like that a lot. A couple of books, my octopus that my sister Ashley gave me. It's turned inside out. There we go, now we got a salty puss. And a happy puss. And he sits up there on my paper towel and protects it. Holds it together for me. Spare little filming camera. That's not as good quality as this camera is though. My latest issue of Horse Deals magazine. I try and get every issue whenever it comes out. This is an Australian one. So yeah, and we just swing back over here. My bed. No blankets, nothing, just a couple of sheets because it's too stinking hot and hopefully our camera doesn't keep fogging up. And down in this corner, I've got acrylic paints. That one's gouache. That's my fishing tackle kit. That's a peg basket that lives in here so I don't get perished or eaten by a dog. That book should be put away actually. That's just another scrap writing book. Spare jar for putting stuff in. My Jazz's inky box, which I've yet to do. I did actually film a video for that, but then I lost half the footage, so yet do something with that. So it's shelves collection. My full Prismacolor colour range set. The full 150 colours. So yeah, quite proud of that actually. And that was a sweet steal for just under $200. Then just over here I've got printer, important paperwork, documents in those fold. That's my electric blanket that just lives there. Computer bag, the box that my planner came in, and it's just some other scrap stuff. So getting over here, this is my work desk here. So up top we got my big brayer. That's a traditional scale model. Other models here, these aren't all brayers. Those are sculptures, I think, whatever their brand was. That's a custom one there. That one came from somewhere else. These three little ones in the front here are brayers. And just other ones there. My book I've been reading lately. Picture frame, I've got to get a picture put in there. This one's from a couple of years ago for the Anzac. This is a classic American paint horse brayer. So, there's another little one there from somewhere. That's ceramic think this is a foal brayer. I think it's traditional scale for the foals. These were what my sister got me. So yeah, that's what my grandmother did. It's a diamond doll. Sorry about the reflection. This is not really part of the nostalgia. It's my filming, how I film when I'm doing stuff down the desk here. I've got my bullet journal here. 2022 planner from Sarah Ray Clark. I really love that colouring planner. Notebook. Under here slides out and it's got a keyboard on it. My acrylic paint, not acrylic, watercolour sets on it, mate. My booklet that I use for keeping track of my writing on Tilly. Some drawers of stuff. That one's just got writing paper in it. This one's just my stamp coin collection. That one's private. And this, come over here, we got the Supernatural DVDs. Wouldn't really recommend watching the whole set through from cover to cover. You've got to have a break in between, otherwise it starts screwing with your brain. I did find that out, so I haven't actually finished watching. I think I got to season 9 maybe at the moment, or could be 10, over about a year and a half. I watched maybe a season, though I'd have to have a break, otherwise it really starting to mess with your mind and emotions and that, I've found. Now coming back here, we got all this collection of horses here that my sister got for me as well. So pretty, I got them all set up on display. My riding boots came in that box, but I've been using it for holding, what was in it? Oh, scrap bits of paper and stuff like that. Just some more folder of scrap stuff there. Here we got my bench. A few other little nostalgic pieces. That was also due with an Anzac thing a couple of years ago. The Western Horse book that I showed in the other video. This has got 2 brayers in it that need fixing that I'm going to work on as a project. My washi tape on display. A few other art supplies and stuff that just sit there nicely. My horses book. Another one of my horse books I'm super proud of. I just love horses. If you can't see that, I am just literally all for the horses. They're such beautiful creatures, and then you look into your eyes, you see a soul and all that sort of thing, and it's just the instincts there. Once you've got a horse's trust, you have it for life, sort of thing. So, let's get into the exciting stuff. So this here is my pencil and pen drawer. So I pull it out here. I've written out lists of everything that I'll keep in this drawer. Fairly long list. So we got my 60 set of polychromos pencils, watercolour pencils, Montmartre, Derwent pastel pencils. There's some other coloured pencils down there by Montmartre. That's it. This is surprise. They're pencils, but they're a surprise. Another video there, so you'll see these in another video. Fine liners, pens, that just holds little bits and pieces. I got charcoal. So we got thin, soft, and assortment, medium, all that. That's just the cutting tools, crayons, graphite pencil set, Ohuhu markers, which I've yet to try out, fine liners, markers, random pencils in a pencil case, complete drawing guide, tortillions, charcoal, markers, all that sort of thing. So yeah, that's what's in that drawer. Lots of drawing supplies. So next one is for paper. Oh, I forgot to put them back in. Keep those live in there. So I know it's in that drawer. This is paper. So I've actually got all my swatch sheets in here as well. List of what I've got. I've also got a couple of pieces of finished artwork in here. This is done with gouache. And I was trying out watercolour coloured pencils in that one. So this watercolour book, which only has 2 pages left in it now. Another painting I did when I first tried polychromos coloured pencils. I love this drawing. Washi tape stuff. So I've got cartridge paper, I've got black paper, I've got watercolour paper. That's a clipboard I did and I painted on. There's cotton watercolour paper in here, there's oil sketching paper. There's a whole variety of sketchbooks in that, and here of different sizes, different types of papers, all sorts of stuff like that. So that's what's in this one. Pull them back, shut that, and we come down one again. So this one is my canvas drawer. So this holds my canvases. I've got a couple of watercolour sets in here at the moment too, because the only place I had to put them. So these are canvases I've started mucking around on and that sort of thing, have yet to finish. That's a new series actually I'm going to do. Spoiler alert, finishing art that I haven't finished. Series, something along that line. Got spare canvases, gessoed. Ones I'll get gessoed. Different size canvas boards, panels, a round canvas. I've also kept some paintbrush sets in here because painting. Some more random brushes, brand new brushes I have not used yet. So yeah, they're all safe there. And the bottom one is just a Fixer craft drawer. It's not set up nicely, so I don't use a lot of this stuff so often. So I've got stickers galore, mostly horse ones in here. I love stickers. Butterfly stickers. It's just got, there's stuff in here with finished work in folders and crafting stuff. And just random bits and pieces that I don't use. I think my whole, there's clay in here as well, Sculpey. And I keep these in all my drawers. These are mothballs, keep silverfish out, because they are a problem. And I've also got magazines of, what do they call it, the Australian Artists or something? Yeah, Australian Artist magazines that library were chucking out, so I got them because they're full of useful information and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's in that drawer. Random bits and pieces and stuff. Just stuff that I don't use very much. So, go back in there. Be nice. Right, so that's that. And yeah, so that is my art studio crafting spot. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video, and I will see you in the next one. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!